Hi traders, this is Steve Miley for forextraders.com, and here we're looking at the DAX future. That's the German stock market future in here, and we're looking at a more negative tone. The market's selling off in here over the last 48 hours or so, taking out some important various trend line supports in here, going back to the beginning of November, but also going back all the way here, back to early October. So probing below these trend lines, and also this important support around 13,130 down to 13,103. So taking out those supports, and despite a slight rebound in here late yesterday and into an overnight, the market, whilst capped by this 13,193, 13,200 area, certainly displays a more negative tone, a potential topping pattern here, and that leaves risk, we feel, lower going into today. Back to challenge 1340 and then 13,040, and then maybe down towards 13,000 and even below. Top side, the market really needs to get above 13,200, and that can open up risk up towards 13,275. This has been Steve Miley, the market chartist for forextraders.com. Don't forget to follow our YouTube channel, and then also I'll be back with you soon. Until then, have a great trading day.